Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make moist chocolate cupcakes with a delicious whipped cream frosting. That being said, let's get started. In a fine mesh strainer, sift the flour and cocoa powder. Next, add the sugar, baking soda, and salt and mix well. To your dry ingredients, add your water, your oil, vanilla, and fresh lemon juice. Mix until just combined. Pour your batter into a large measuring cup and divide evenly among 12 cupcake liners. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes. You can test for doneness by inserting a toothpick in your cupcake. If it comes out clean, it's done. Cool your cupcakes on a wire rack while you make the frosting. For the frosting, chill your mixing bowl in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Once your bowl is chilled, combine heavy cream, sugar, vanilla, and cocoa powder, then beat on medium-high until light and fluffy. A chilled bowl helps keep your cream from weeping. Frost your cupcakes and keep them refrigerated. Take them out of the fridge 30 minutes to an hour before serving. These cupcakes have a rich chocolate flavor and the frosting just melts in your mouth. It's a perfect combination for a decadent treat. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more videos, please click on the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.